Hey guys, here in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check link in bio on Instagram. So let's open up our Instagram app and show you what the link in the bio means. First, I'll select the profile button on the bottom right, and then you'll see my link right underneath my name. When I click it, it'll bring up my YouTube channel. As you can see, this link is what people mean when they say link in bio. Instagram does not allow any links in the description or comments area. If you go to someone else's profile here, you'll see that it has this link here. However, if you go to one of their posts, you can't have a clickable link here. Basically, you can only have one clickable link in your bio, but you can update it or add a new one by going back to your profile, selecting Edit, Profile, and changing the website there. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.